So this message is for Creality to troubleshoot my mainboard. In their newest email it says, please try the following steps to troubleshoot the printer and provide the necessary information for judging the failure. Don't worry, I can definitely solve your problem. Thank you very much. It says, please refer to the attached picture, check the name of the main controller chip, determine whether the main controller chip is 124 or STM32. And then select the correct firmware operation to refresh. So mine is a STM32. You can see that right there. It says please format the SD card first. The format steps are different from those in the video. So I'm assuming when they mean in the video that I sent them previous to this one, I right-clicked on the SD card, clicked format. I can actually show you over here. I right-clicked on the SD card, clicked format, and then followed everything that they wanted me to follow in here. And I did it that way, and then I put the firmware on the SD card, and it still didn't update the machine. So they said the format, the steps are different from those in the video. Please pay attention. So format SD card method, start running, input command to enter DOS system. Input this format command, which is exactly what I just showed you using it the window way. And then G is the disk number of your SD card. Mine is J. Please note it that right click to format is invalid. SD card capacity must be within 2 to 6 gigs. So I did that over here. So mine is a 8 gig card, or 7.5, and I formatted to the way that they wanted me to format it, and it formatted all the way through. I installed the firmware that they sent me. Now let's eject, or safely eject, the SD card. So it safely ejects, so now I can remove it. And then side up. Unit is unplugged. Now we'll see if it formats. And it does not. Okay, so that doesn't work. And then it says to check the voltage, it says please refer to the attached picture to test the pin voltage. Sorry about that. Refer to the attached picture to test the pin voltage. It is recommended to unplug the motor wire before measuring. Use DC greater than 24 volt for measurement. So I'm assuming what they're referring to is use the DC line greater than 24 volt for measurement. Please provide your own printer test video and printer manufacturing code. So this is the pot for Z2. You can see that right here, Z2. So they want me to test the pot again. I believe last time I was getting 1.2 volts on the pot. All these pots right here, so this one, this one, this one, I was getting 1.2, and I believe this one I was getting 1.4. And then I believe last time I was getting 0.7 to 1 volt on all of these pins. Actually, yeah, all of these pins except these last two. But I had the wires plugged in. So they want me to unplug Z2, it looks like, and then probe each one of the pins coming off of the main board. So let's do that. So I have the negative and the negative for the 24 volt. So we should be getting 24 volts. Oop. Let's get this negative in here. Okay, that's better. Alright, there's a 24 volt coming out of the power supply. Sorry, it's kind of awkward to try to keep this negative in here while I'm filming. Alright, so there's the 24 volt. And to double check that, coming into the mainboard is right here. Or right here, sorry. So it's 24 volt. Alright, let's check that pot that they wanted me to check, which is right here. Yep, 1.39 or 1.4 volt. And then let's check each wire. 0.7 or each, yeah, 0.7 or each pin, sorry. 0.7, 0.7, and 0.7. I'm curious. Let's try to move the Z and see what happens. Let's go to prepare. Move. You can see I'm still -5 and -2. Let's move it 10 millimeters in the up direction. So you see it just moved to 10, so it should be moving right now. And let's see what the voltages are. Nothing. 0 volts. 0 volts. 0 volts. I'm still getting 1.4 on the pot. So I'm not getting anything out of here. So I got a faulty mainboard. Let me know what you think.